School's out today. This is one of the drifts that's created by the snowstorm today. January 10th, 1997. One of the first storms that Frederick's experienced in America, winter storms. Obviously it's too cold to be outside, so it's like 30 below wind chill factor today. School's closed. Frederick's been out of school all day today. This is Frederick. What he's been doing today was school off. Laying on the floor and just kind of messing around. Frederick's activity on winter storms. Let's go get a picture of his room where he's staying in America while he's here.
No.
Frederick's room in America. Wanted to show this to you while we had a chance, while we were thinking about it. Same day as the winter storm, January 10th, 1997. Frederick's room. Oh! Frederick's been, well, looks like he's been working on it today. He's had a little bit of extra time today to be working on his room. Here's his new bulletin board with his pictures. Here's some of his football memorabilia. This is where he was, a sign that was put on the post uptown with Frederick's name and number. Here's some of his awards, very special awards for football. One is, you can see it right there, the Arthur Lovington Football Spirit Award, Frederick Tobin, and then his senior award presented to him. Other side of Frederick's room. This is where he's spending a year in America. This is Frederick's room. Obviously he spends a third of his time here. Oh, there's that autographed football he got done. Yeah, right up there on the closet shelf. Find him. Oh, here he is. Shelby again. Oh, here he comes.
Oh, Dad.
Okay, we'll get a picture of this room a little bit later. Frederick seems to be entering it and interested in doing some of his laundry and picking up. Boy, he's such a good boy.
Actually, I'm only looking for my chapstick.
Looking out the upstairs window, and this is a few more pictures of winter storm. Kind of hard to see, kind of dark out there. Obviously, it's nighttime or it's the PM, and it's already gotten dark, but you can see the trees blowing or the sticks blow or the limbs blowing. It's still pretty windy out tonight. Had some drifts today. Probably some of these drifts represent about 3 foot. Anyway, 3 foot high.
Feet. It's recording. It's recording. The car is stuck. Dad is not happy.
Okay, here we are. So it's going to be 45 below wind chill factor tonight. And here's some, well, who are these silly kids? 45 degrees below zero tonight, wind chill. You can see the snow blowing. Let me see. There you can see the snow blowing. Shelby, Justin, and Frederick out playing, I don't know, must be 25, 30 below now, say 45 below wind chill factor sometime tonight. Oh.
How you doing, Dad? Oh my goodness. Get you.
Look, my boots off. You're a moron, Greg. Justin, what's this? I'm down. I sprained my ankle. Ow.
Here we are, another day out of school, January 16th, 1997. As you can see, the snow, we had another 5 to 6 inches of snow last night. Winds are terrible today, in some cases 20, 30 miles an hour. Wind chill factor, I guess, tonight, subject to 50 below. 50 below, possibly tonight. Obviously extremely cold here. Arthur, East Central Illinois. The drifts in some areas are absolutely 5-6 feet tall. This is north of our house, our neighbors. As you can see, he's got a pretty good sized drift there. Again, probably 6 feet tall. Here's somewhat right in our backyard. As you can see, those fir trees over there, and that one there is even covered up almost with the snow. Did lose the electricity last night, and Justin's car did start this morning with some 30 below zero last night wind chill factor. That we had a generator because it gave us a little heat during that hour. Otherwise, could have been a real serious problem. I never thought that we'd love a generator so much for heat, but it sure helped us last night run the furnace to keep us warm last night. About midnight's when we lost our electricity, came back on about 1 a.m. As you can see, got the flag standing straight out, so it's extremely still, a lot of wind right now, still pretty cold.